Ever wondered how tiny icons can supercharge your digital chats? Stick around as I share my top tips for mastering the emoji keyboard on Mac. The keyboard shortcut for getting emojis on a Mac is a game changer. Position your cursor where you want to insert the emoji. Press the Ctrl plus Command plus Space shortcut to open the emoji keyboard. Browse the emoji library and select the desired icon. The emoji will be automatically inserted into your text or document. If you wish to use emojis in social media apps like Messages and WhatsApp, then there is a dedicated option which will present you with the same. How to stack and layer stickers on Mac. Launch the Message app on your MacBook. Click the App Store logo from the bottom right corner. Choose the Stickers option. Select any sticker of your choice and hit Send. It kind of acts as a base for stacking and layering up new stickers. Now, reassess the stickers menu and drag and drop any sticker you choose onto the chat. The stickers will be stacked on top of each other, allowing you to create visually engaging combinations. You can continue this process by layering multiple stickers and experimenting with different combinations to find the perfect expression. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.